Hello friends, welcome to my channel. আমি তুমি ও রং তুলি। I am Shoma Shah Singh. Today I will teach you a friendship band. How to make our friendship band? I will teach you a friendship band. First we need two A4 size paper, any color, different color A4 size paper, sequins, glue, marker, a circle, two googly eyes, and a pencil, scissor also. Okay, now we make our friendship band. You can take any color paper. First you fold these two papers like this, equally fold. Now I'll cut this paper. Okay. Again I fold this part like this. And again fold another paper. Now paste this paper again I fold it. Again I fold this paper like this. We make two strips. After that I am putting this part and cut it. Okay. Now you see here is a pocket. You put this part a small band. Now I put this red band in this pocket. After that I lock this paper. Like this. It is tight, so it does not open when I pull it. Now I want to decorate it. This is our circle. Okay, finally our band is ready. I show you another one. Okay. These are the strips. I can take two this color and one color, one pink and two purple. Now I make this. How to make? First, I fold this strip like this. Fixing it. If you want, you can make like this, but I will show you another one now. I repeat this pattern like this. Same lock. So these are our friendship bands. If you like this video, watch another one and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So thank you.